Like, men's not hot. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be sharing with you my winter time haul, and this haul is collective. Like, I've been collecting since late September, early October. Yeah, so some of these things are like all the above. I want to jump on the bandwagon of teddy coats, so I go and I buy teddy coat. I got a teddy coat, right? Look at this, y'all. When you first see this, beautiful color. It's beautiful. It's soft. It's nice. It's warm. It keeps you like everything a teddy coat is supposed to do, right? Let me try it on for you. Why is this thing looking like a robe on me, y'all? It looks like I'm wearing a robe. Oh my gosh. It literally looks, let me get on this to show you guys the bottom. It looks like I'm wearing a robe. Oh my gosh, like, I don't know. My room is kind of cold. My room is actually really cold. So I'm gonna keep this robe on. Next is this jacket. I actually got this jacket as a gift. So this coat, it's nothing, you know, nothing crazy, just your regular black puffy coat. But yeah, so I got these two beautiful scarves. Beautiful. This one, y'all, like I love scarves so much. I'm starting to look like a crazy person packing all this stuff on me. But yeah, like this. Oh my gosh, does it look like I'm wearing a robe? And then this is the one I was most excited about because, again, I don't wear a lot of colors, and then sometimes I just get these random like moments where I want to buy color. So yeah. Oh my god, this scarf is so comfy. It's so warm. It's so comfy. It's so comfy. It's so fluffy, I could die. But really though, like, oh shoot, I did have one more thrift. They're not boyfriend jeans. They're more like mom jeans. They, like, again, you guys will see when I try it on. They fit like mom jeans. These were five something, but I bargained it down to $4. I promise we are almost done because even I'm getting tired. I've turned this whole state upside down looking for overalls. I just was being cheap because why pay 40, 50, 60 bucks and up when I can get at the thrift store on a bargain? But I just wasn't finding it at the thrift store, so I still wasn't gonna buy it online. But then Boohoo has 60% off, so your girl had to cop. But the thing is, I copped a pair, right? And I don't know, like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Nothing much to say about them. Just two plain barrettes. One's in brown, one's in a taupe, one's in red. I have another one. It's in a pinkish pink. But yeah, and then my favorite part of this haul, which is the shoes part. Can we take a moment of silence for these babies? They are so pretty. Oh my gosh, like, I love them. I really love them. Like, no cap. These shoes were perfect. They came in perfect condition. They fit me perfect. They were exactly what I wanted and more. And then next are these babies. So your basic knee-high boots. I got these from shoedazzel, and I got two pair of boots for $39. So I got these basic knee-high boots. I really love these for the fact that they're so simple. It's such a classic piece. Tell me why I pull up to ASOS, I'm looking, and guess what I see? Pretty. Oh, the lighting is bad. Little close, but yeah. And I love that it has a little saying on the bottom back of it. It's so cute. I haven't worn these yet. I am kind of nervous, but y'all, I was so happy when I got this because it was only 57 bucks, and with the 10%, the uni day 10% off, I got this for 57. So like, I'm so excited, y'all. But yeah, that concludes the haul. I know I've been MIA for a month. I'm sorry. I am back. I'm done with school, done with finals. I'm officially done with everything, and the videos are going to be rolling in, so stay tuned. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.